Hi, I'm Michael, KB9VBR, your host for Ham Radio Q&A. On my mission to inspire and educate the amateur radio community. If you like what you see, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Also, check us out on Patreon. Patrons help keep the mission alive. It's over at patreon.com/KB9VBR antennas. Well, this morning, I'm on the road for a bike ride. Now, I'm going to be the first to admit that this video is probably not, 100% amateur radio related. Yeah, peripherally, there's a little bit of ham radio to it. But I'm heading to Manitowish waters to take part in the Solstice bike ride. Cycling is a passion of mine, and I think to be a well-rounded individual, you need to have a multitude of interests and hobbies, and it can't be ham radio 100% of the time. Otherwise, you're going to burn yourself out, and I know we've all been there at one point or other. So hence I really enjoy cycling. I started it maybe 25 years ago when I bought my first bike. It was a giant mountain bike. Rode that for years and years. 2004 or so, 15 years ago. Got a road touring bike, and I was planning to. I wanted to ride across the country, just that kind of thing. Never rode across the country, but I have ridden across the state multiple times, north, south, and east, west. Participated in several multi-day tours. So stick with me. We're going to do a little bit of bike touring today. Show you the countryside, what makes northern Wisconsin some of the most beautiful country that you will ever see, and just have a great time. So stick around, it'll be fun. So the ride starts in a few minutes. Got my goodie bag, all the registration materials, fun t-shirt. Oh, look at that. And a pair of socks. That's worth the registration fee right there. This is this ride supporting the North Lakeland Discovery Center in Manitowish waters. So we got a nice sticker. I might stick that on the trailer. Other pieces of swag, copy of Silent Sports magazine, some advertising stuff. Of course, got my route map and a cue sheet, and of course the most important piece that I think I forgot now, the ever important beer coupon at the end of the ride. So we got to hang on to this. This is the most important piece of our entire day. I got to get my shoes on and the sunglasses, and we'll be ready to roll.
Have not checked in, please head this way and check in with Beth so we know you're here. Thanks.
I want to talk a little bit about the scenery here on this ride. This area, far northern Wisconsin, 150 years ago, was completely covered with white pine. And by 1920, all of that old growth was gone. So everything you see growing here has been replanted since the turn of the century, maybe a little bit later. This was a logging epicenter at the turn of the century, and now it's a vacation destination. Most of the roads are paved, as you can see, so it makes for beautiful cycling trails Vilas County's done a really good job with adding paved and hard-packed bike paths and trails, so you can get out here and you can spend days exploring. Mile 21, we're at Presque Isle. Presque Isle is just a few miles south of the Wisconsin-Michigan border into the UP. So it's we're way up there here in the state. The rest stops here is at Carson's Corner. Beautiful little place, gas station, C-store. Got filled up with some water and some snacks, and we're gonna head back out the way we came, get back on the road to Boulder Junction. Man, this road is nice. We got a ride on it for 10 miles, so I hope the fresh blacktop keeps out. Little hills up and down, not too hard of pedaling. Traffic is decent, so beautiful day to be cycling in the Northwoods. Oh, I like County B a lot better. Mile number 38, just outside of Boulder Junction, and we're about 3/4 of the way done with the ride, and out come the complimentary Bloody Marys. Oh, these things are good. Good thing we got only 12 miles left to go, and it's all on a bike path. It's been a beautiful day. A little bit of a breeze, a cool temperature, about 70 degrees out here, so it doesn't get much nicer than this than for bike riding. So we'll finish our drink and rehydrate and hit the road to finish up the ride. We hit the end of the line, 50 miles in. How do we know? Because over there is the giant fish. We're in Manitowish waters again. I'm gonna head back to the parking area and we'll kind of finish things up so I don't get a copyright claim on background music. And that was the Manitowish Waters Solstice Festival bike ride. Beautiful day, a beautiful ride. Weather couldn't be better, really. You know, temperature about 70 degrees, light wind. Started to cloud up in the afternoon, which is not really a problem. I kind of feel like Mr. Rogers here changing my shoes, but had an excellent time. I love these style of rides. Hope to find a couple more yet this summer. Let's see, people are going to ask about my bike. I know somebody's gonna at least. And I ride a Trek AL4, or Checkpoint AL4. It's a gravel style bike. I've had it for, this is my third year. Probably put about 3,500 miles on it so far. These last couple years. Beautiful bike, 9-speed, cassette in the back, compact double in the front, hydraulic disc brakes all around. A little bit longer stance. That's what the gravel bikes kind of give you for a more relaxed, sort of comfortable ride, and that's what I like. Coming off of my steel frame, a road touring bike, you know, this was really a beautiful upgrade, and I can't say enough nice things about the Checkpoint line of bikes. So I had a good time. Thanks for joining me on this ride today. If you want to see more videos like that, leave a comment below. Love to hear what you think about these vlog style videos. For more articles and information, be sure to check out my blog at www.jpole-antenna.com. Support of this channel drives the production of future videos. Like and subscribe helps us out greatly. Check us out on Patreon. Patrons gain exclusive access to content and an early ad-free experience to new videos. Well, that's it for this time. I'm Michael, KB9 VBR. Have a great day, and 73.